Welcome to How to Study Smarter, Not Harder, the Science of Retention. Today, we're diving into the neuroscience behind effective learning. Many of us fall into the trap of inefficient studying, spending countless hours with little to show for it. Imagine the late nights, the endless reading, and still feeling like the information just isn't sticking. Sound familiar? Most of us study inefficiently, but what if you could learn faster using neuroscience? It's not about working harder, but working smarter. Let's explore the core concept, how our brain actually learns and retains information. Smarter studying comes from utilizing neuroscience-backed techniques to enhance retention. It's about optimizing your brain's natural processes. First, let's understand why we forget. It's all about the forgetting curve. This simple animated graph illustrates how our memory of new information fades rapidly over time without reinforcement, but we can fight it. Our first technique to beat the forgetting curve is implementing daily review schedules. Using planners and calendars, you can set up review patterns like day 1, day 3, day 7, harnessing the power of consistent, spaced repetition. Next up is a powerful duo, active recall and spaced repetition. Imagine Anki flashcards activating brain connections, demonstrating how actively retrieving information and optimizing review timings strengthens memory. To help you implement these techniques, smart tools are invaluable. Tools like Notion and Anki offer digital solutions for organizing study sessions, creating flashcards, and tracking your progress seamlessly. While studying is important, never underestimate the importance of rest for memory consolidation. Calm visuals of tea, rain, or sunlight through a window remind us that sleep and short breaks are crucial for your brain to consolidate memories. Let's quickly recap the 5 powerful techniques we've covered today. Remember, daily review for consistency, active recall and spaced repetition for deeper learning, smart tools for organization, and rest for consolidation. It's time to transform your study habits and achieve better results with less stress. You don't need more time, you need a better system. Implement these techniques and watch your retention skyrocket. What's one study technique that's actually worked for you? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on studying smarter.